What's up, guys? I'm playing pancake tower battles today. Pretty fun game, huh? With my friends, we're playing this game, so I just thought, why don't I? Look at them. They trying to don't even try to steal from me. What if I do? Yeah. Bro. Yeah. Bro. This me first down. Go. Oh, we make pancakes. That's what it's about. Okay. So where do we go? Here? What do we do? What do we do? Bro. What am I doing, bro? What am I doing? Bro, I'm not good at this game. I'll let you win in rivals, and my ping was 1K. What do you expect me to do, you No, bro, I don't want to. Also, this dude, you see, he's just because I let him win in rivals one time, he got on my nerves, calling me a noob and stuff. Yeah, no, bro, you're not Himothy, and I'll happily take that. Okay, the red team is definitely winning. Yay! You mess with me, you die. You mess with me, and I absolutely, yeah, that's what you get. Bro, like this dude was like talking so mean. Bro is literally you know, I'm not gonna say it. Just like worst in our whole class. Yeah. In study. And I'm the best, like bro. And I'm the best. I help you all the time. Yeah, why is this dumbhead in my team, bro? Zarya, don't you dare. No, no, no. Okay, let's start baking. What do we do? Okay, no, like actually, what do we do? We pick up an egg. Put an egg there, I guess. Okay, what do we... Oh, wait. We need the ingredients. Skibbity. Skibbity Rizzler. I'm the Skibbity Rizzler. I'm just gonna be really low. I'm just gonna be really low. I'm just gonna be really low. And I'm lagging. Aren't I? I'm lagging, aren't I? Oh, come on! Why do I have to have like the worst network in the whole entirety of this world? Oh, come on! Come on! Come on, bro! Okay. So, it's safe to say that I have the worst network in the whole entirety. I'll see you guys back like after I'm again in like the game. So back on the game, and I'm on a different team. Alright. No, I'm not. The other team is winning. Bro, why is the other team so good? This is not gracious. That other team is way too good, bro. What do we do? This game is like kind of boring, not gonna lie if I'm being honest. But I guess my friends are playing, so I gotta play. Yippee. The Rizzler. Oh, hell no. Raining, bro. Why is she so good at this game? Well. Because you are trash, so you like trash games. Also, Mahi, you are talking trash about me. Don't come lying to me. Please help me. I'd love to freeze players if they're overstayed. Oh, well, yeah, what was writing again? Dumbhead. Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. Yeah, like a lot of time. Usually, me and my friends might get in some war. Like you're seeing what's happening, aren't you? Like, bro. But we don't care. Like, ah, ah. Shut up. What is she? Now what? Now what? Yeah, that's what I thought. Now what? I adapting. Like a Sigma. Okay, what do we do now? We need one of this. Got that? No, I don't need that. Okay, that mention kind of ended, and I forgot to like turn on the video again. Alright, I again forgot to turn on the video, but look at this. Me, three of my friends, all of us are in the same team with a random, whatever that goes, whoever that goes. But it's time to steal! It's time for war! Listen, I don't think y'all are gonna like this video that much, bro. But I don't care. What just happened, bro? What just happened? Wait. Zombie? No. Okay, alright, guys, please subscribe watching this video, because like I know this video ain't that good, but like, hey, it's whatever, right? A video is a video, yes sir, and you do not get it, and just think we're not gonna know people not noticing me, huh? You think you're slick? Oh heck no. Oh no. Ah, they got good. They got good. GG's man, GG's, but we still have more pancakes in here. We still got more pancakes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I still we're missing some ingredients, huh? Okay, G. I'll just let them deal with that. I mean, being one of them is... Y'all really gotta get your service up. I know this video is boring, but it's whatever. Y'all still gonna watch it and still subscribe and like a good little boy. Okay, what's up with this? This like video is very boring. I know you're probably not gonna even like it that much, but you're still gotta subscribe to me and like this video. Like a good little boy. Yeah, like a good little boy. Oh my goodness. What is going on, bro? They're invading this place. Yeah, you keep invading this place so that I could go to your place and steal your stuff. How would you like to stop, bro? Like, baby steps. Baby steps. Stop popping around in my face. Come on. Oh, come. Oh, I'm gonna break the phone. I'm gonna break the phone. I gotta continue. I'm a Sigma. I gotta remember. I'm a Sigma. I gotta remember that. Goodness gracious. Yeah. Good. Come on, man. Come on. You know, whoever watches this video, please comment and tell me what video should I what game should I play next in your box. Yeah, where should I go? What is? Skibbity Rattler coming to the rescue. Skibbity Rattler. Skibbity. No. Look. Oh, let me just. Oh. Boom. Boom. Like a boom. Kaboom. She left the game. She rage quit it. No, noobs. Look at these noobs. What happened if I just jump in? Okay. Yeah, you can take that out. Generally don't care. Oh, heck no. Good boy. What's a good little boy? Yeah, we have 33 pancakes and 2 minutes left. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Yo. No. Is there any secrets behind that pipe? Yo, look, that's a big. Go on, get some. I don't care, bro. I don't care. Drop one of this egg. Okay, not good right now. I mean, this video is pretty boring, I guess. I don't care that. I don't care. This video was boring, though. That's for sure. This video was for sure boring. But, the next video, what y'all think I should play? 3 options. Rivals, or fish it. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna give y'all any options of those new games called Nads in the Forest, Still a Brain Rot, and I just got disconnected. See y'all, I'm not playing this game anymore. Bye bye. Like and subscribe for the love of God.